Hi friends, thank you so much for watching this video. So in this video, we're going to explain about consultancies, the blocklisted consultancies. Assume that you are taking certificates from different consultancies. Okay, definitely they will educate you in particular course. Okay, and if you join in proper and genuine direction, that will not create any problem. So if you use consultancies help, definitely some of the consultancies will be blocklisted in the MNCs. Okay, straightforward, they will not do any background verification. If you submit your document, from your document they will fetch your company's name or consultancy's name. They will search in their database. If that consultancy is blocklisted, straightforward they will reject your profile. Your background verification will be rejected. Okay, as I mentioned, many content. Okay, if they identify before joining into the organizations, you are well and good. After joined, if they identify the given company name is blocklisted in your organizations, or if the given organization is fake, definitely most of the people are thinking about that. It will be very easy to approach, very easy to join. Okay, simply before you join, there are some people, there might be a chance they will use your consultancies or institute certificate. If they identified in the past, that consultancy name will be added in the blocklist portal. Each and every organizations will have blocklist portals, companies blocklist portals. So before doing the background verification itself, they will search with your organizations. If your consultancies or institute or organization name, company names, if reflect in the blocklisted database, straightforward they will reject your profile. They will terminate you. Okay, if they identify after joins. The problem is you don't aware about the concept. Okay, how many companies are blocklisted, how many consultancies are fake consultancies. According to my knowledge, all the consultancies are fake only. Okay, what kind of solution they are giving? If they educate good technology, that is well and good. Okay, but however, if you get any document from consultancies, you must aware whether it is blocklisted or not. Okay, some of the list I have, but I cannot explain in this video in public. Some of the people will misuse it. If you are okay, you can reach to me. Okay, and I'm ready to give the clear informations what is the background going on, these things. And absolutely, definitely, so if you approach to me, definitely I will educate you how to approach. Okay, how to address these kind of problems, how to go in proper way without impact in your background verification process. Okay, trust me, I will help you. My mail id is available in this video description. You can reach out to me, but consulting fee has to be paid. Okay, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please search about your organizations always. Okay, there are a lot of platform available. Your organization registration number, GST number, and location, website and all very easy to create. Okay, there are a lot of free domain is available. Free websites can be created quickly. And think about it, and you itself, you do the analysis and think about it, and use the opportunities from the big MNCs in positive direction. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. All the best, take care.